Kamar, doth mine eyes deceive me? Is that you in the flesh? I mean, virtual flesh, but nonetheless?
Yeah, I had my camera on yesterday too.
You did, and I didn't see it? I can't hear very well or see very well when I have my mask on. Get it? Oh my God, I'm a hot mess. Hey, Jess. Oh no, Jess is frozen. So is Lisha. Oh my God, I know what I need. I need my tissue. Anybody in here wear glasses? Steph, have you seen the tissue trick? No. Okay, here's the, who else, who are my glass wearers? Here's the tissue trick. Hey, Jordan. So you take a tissue and you fold it up like this, and I just double it in half. Okay, ready? Here are my for those of you at home who wear glasses, okay? And then you do this, and then I double it. Okay, and then put it over the bridge of my nose. I know this is like too much, but okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, watch, ready? Wait, I gotta clean them off first because there's no sense in you seeing it if there's already condensation there. Hi, Mari. Look. No fog. Where's Faith? I think Faith got stuck in a sandwich. Hey, Charm. So that's the trick, okay? I suggest for those of you who get thirsty, invest in straws. These are compostable, okay? So I'm not killing turtles. Maybe just maiming them. Kayla. Yes.
You should invest in a snake.
A snake?
A snake.
Like as in?
Yeah, like a class snake.
No, really, no. I don't think we should. I'm not feeling it.
That would be awesome.
No. I like lizards, not into reptiles. Not so much. Class fish, maybe.
No, I don't like fish. Fish?
Fish are scarier than snakes.
Yeah.
All right, I'm calling Miss, what's her name? The school therapist, Miss Baccia. What's her new name? I don't get.
School therapist?
Yeah, I don't know. Snakes scarier than fish?
Fish scarier than snakes.
I mean, fish are scarier than snakes? I don't get that.
She's scared that her pet fish is going to be like Nemo.
But Nemo's harmless.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Tatiana, you have me concerned.
I like snakes more than I like fish.
Snakes are really nice to look at from a far, far distance through a TV.
Nope.
You say a snake?
I want a snake.
Oh.
No, thank you.
To be real, when I get my own house, I want a pink cobra and I want a black viper.
So one of my favorite poems from childhood is by a poet named oops, I didn't want to do that. Undo. Oh no. Undo. Dagnabbit. Okay, let's try this. So, hang on. Can't find my meat people. Okay, don't forget. 1, mark present in the chat. 2, complete your attendance / check-in. 3, mark it as done in Google Classroom. And 4, do the do now. Oh no, you guys are frozen. And not the good kind of frozen. Like Lisha looks all stoic. You guys all look like stone to me. Okay, be right back. Refreshing my screen. Okay. hear me because it's on mute. Oh my God. If you guys can hear me, can you please write hello or present or alive in the chat to my virtual people? Because you're all frozen to me. So I just want to know if you can hear me. Yay, Zach can hear me. Hello, Danielle. Hello, Mari. Okay, so since I refreshed those of you at home, whether you have done it or not, if you haven't already, put present in the chat. Don't forget to do your attendance. Mark it as done in Google Classroom. And then, of course, go do your do now, your silly questions. Monsieur Eugene, what are you doing? What are you doing? I see that. Let's try and get you logged in on the Chrome on the laptop today. Can you also take your headphones off? You cannot have your headphones on in class, sweetheart. Okay, so hoods and hats are allowed on as long as I can see that your ears don't have headphones in them. There you go. I just need you to go ahead and grab that computer and see if we can get you logged in today. If not, you're gonna have to do it on your phone. Hi, my people at home. I'm moving you guys over here. I have tried desperately to figure out why I'm getting this horrible freezing problem. Okay. So has anyone found like the perfect mask yet? Okay, Darren, what good is a mask if your nostrils are hanging out? That's like underwear and your junk is hanging out. Sorry, I'm just gonna be honest. Has your brother told you about me?
No.
No? Your brother's like one of my all-time favorite students. No, I'm serious. Like legit. Like he almost knocked me over in Walmart when I saw him in January. Like I almost fell over. Or no, maybe it was December. I saw him in December. That feels like it was yesterday. Yeah, it was like right around Christmas. I was in the hospital last year and I had just gotten out of the hospital. So I was like really weak. And then I walked into Walmart and I didn't see him. And oh my God, I always forget her name. What is his girl's name? You don't know your brother's baby mama name? Like you. Oh,
Leontra.
That's it. Alon. She's not a Hyundai. Okay. Leandra, that's it. Okay. So Leandra. I always forget her name every time I see her. I don't know why. Maybe because she wasn't a student of mine. So like, just so you know, I'm not being mean about a kid. I never taught her. So yes, your brother, I taught your brother as a freshman and a junior. He was one of my very first students here at Lakes, not ever, because I've been doing this for 21 years. It's a long time. I think your brother was one of my first students at Lakes too.
And he's your favorite.
2 years ago. Yeah, he was one of my first. I don't think they were in the same class. I think I had your brother in 6th period and your brother was in 7th period. And his class, like, ooh, I'm so glad I don't teach freshmen anymore. Your brother's class was kind of quiet. I'm pretty sure I had your brother's 6th period. They were kind of quiet. His brother's class, I would cry at the end of the day.
I haven't tried any weird food. Yeah,
What?
I don't think I've
Yeah, I
tried
don't
anything
consider
like
it
weird.
that I eat weird.
Wait, what?
Like the question about the food, like the reason I've tried anything.
You don't think you've tried anything weird?
Like really weird. I tried octopus and I didn't know it was that.
Okay, so you can put that.
Oh my.
It may not be weird to some people, but it might be the weirdest you've tried.
I almost cried when they told me what it was.
I threw up when they told me what it was. Like when they told me what.
No, I stopped. They make pudding out of pig's blood.
Yes, crazy Italians. Do you guys do your do now over there in virtual land?
I love calamari.
I just don't like the idea of eating it.
I don't like the one with. I don't like the crunchy tentacle. Tentacles. Oh, that's on recorded live. going back and cutting that later and putting it on Facebook because it's me, so I can do that. Oh my God. No, I don't like the crunchy testicles, nor do I like the crunchy tentacles. Okay, but I do like calamari. Oh, I feel like you guys are, Jessica's dying. Oh, you guys, definitely the highlight of my day. Okay, so yeah, weird food. Speaking of weird food, yes. Okay, let me take attendance. Let me earn my paycheck. Eugene, if you don't put that cell phone away, child.
I'm doing it now.
You're doing the do now? Okay.
It didn't work.
It's still not working?